Have you ever wondered how to automate your WhatsApp messaging? Here's a simple solution that required only 2 lines of Python code. First of all, import py.watkit. If you don't have it installed, type pip install py.watkit and hit on enter. After installation completed, type kit.send WhatsApp message, add a phone number on which you want that message to be sent, type text that you want to send and time. Save it. Open file in which saved your WhatsApp bot. Simultaneously press Shift and right click on mouse. Open PowerShell window here. Type py, name of your bot, enter. In 18 seconds, WhatsApp in browser will be open, and after another 20 seconds, message will be sent. Python bot open in WhatsApp in browser on its own. Bot insert message and bot send that message on its own. Just to show you that I didn't cheat, I didn't send that message on my own, I will open text document in which it will be reflected. So as you can see, I've sent one message using this bot to phone number in 6:55 p.m. Subscribe for more useful tutorials.